Good morning to you, children, young people, parents, helpers and teachers, of course. Welcome to the Cardiff Metropolitan University here in Llandaff. A huge congratulations for reaching the national final of the Enterprise Troopers 2018.
There's a huge amount of excitement here, and we've got young people in our primary schools that have come up with some fantastic business ideas, and it's a wonderful celebration of some of the enterprise activities that are going on in Welsh schools.
As a group, we used to be very unhealthy, but until we started this concept, we have been eating more healthy and been eating all of our products like the pasta sauce.
Well, we were really delighted to sponsor the event. The event really captures all of the disciplines across all of the schools that we have at Cardiff Metropolitan University. It's lovely to be part of the whole kind of starting point of seeing what's happening in the classrooms in terms of developing business ideas.
To be completely honest, I was absolutely blown away today. The quality of the presentations that we've heard has been incredible. The ideas that the young enterprise troopers are displaying have been phenomenal. I mean, these are the entrepreneurs of tomorrow, acting in such an incredibly responsible and positive way today.
I'm a STEM role model and I love to do awesome fighting robots. There is 200 million viewers on my episode alone. They vote for the winners like X Factor.
There's some things you get out of doing these programs. First is working as a team together. That skill you'll take with you, doesn't matter at school or into working life later on.
It's been a very, very difficult challenge today. We always say it, but particularly today, it has been hard. And congratulations to all of you on getting here and for the effort you put in today.
The winner this year of the Enterprise Troopers 2018 Crew Mentress 2018. And it goes to Cardickston Primary School.
It's just so surreal.
We just really wanted to tackle like food waste. We want to take our snack shack to different places.
Enterprise Troopers winners 2018!
Woohoo!